Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Paint the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. Today I am using, I don't know why I have this one out because this isn't the mason jar that I used, but I did use a mason jar die, just not this one. The one I'm using is actually on my desk somewhere. I think I was supposed to put it back in there and I didn't. I'm using this stamp set, which is the Not2Shabby new release. It's called Happy Fall. Super, super cute stamp set. And so I made a cute card. So on this card, I did some Distress Oxide ink, which is kind of like my new favorite sort of thing. I'm just experimenting and trying to get comfortable blending. So, and I use makeup brushes. I use the ones from Cricut Studio, I think it is. So I had bought those last year during Black Friday and finally broke them out and used them. And so I'm just kind of learning how to blend because I'd never really blended before. So I did that. I stamped these out, colored them in with my Copics, and then kind of placed them on my card. And then I used these really cute heart enamel stickers that I got from Michaels. So there's my card. And then I did a tag. So this tag says Happy Pumpkin Spice Season, and it's got the little cup that comes in the stamp set, as well as the leaf and the acorn. I color those in with my Copics. This part is Distress Oxide, and I also sprayed it with some shimmer spray. This sheer shimmer sparkle spray, which is I bought from the Not2Shabby shop. And then this tag fits a gift card. So it'd be really cute to give to somebody or attach to a present. And then I made these little cute little mason jar embellishments. I love how they came out. So I just used a simple mason jar die that I gotten from AliExpress. I had colored a bunch of images, and then I just kind of use them. And then I've got some stickers and some couple little things from, my stash. So here this one says Fall Wishes. It's got the pumpkin and a little sentiment. And then this one has a little sticker. It says Leaves, and it's got embellishments there, colored in with my Copics. And this one is a pumpkin that I found a sticker that I had in my stash, or like an ephemera. And then here's some word stickers there. It says Fall. And then this one says Pumpkin, Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. And then it's got my mug. And then this one is the cute little scarecrow and a little pumpkin sticker that I had. It says Together. And so here are my projects. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Paint the Heart.